Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. If you are worried about forgetting your password or you don't even know it at all, don't worry. All your answers are on this video. Stick with me, let's walk you through on how to change your password or remove it at all. As you can see on your screen, when you type in your password, it says incorrect password because we don't know it. We have forgotten the password. So without further ado, let's get into our screen and start to solve this issue. Alright, here as we are on our screen, but before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Now first, we need to get an ISO file of Irene boot CD. Open your browser and go to your browser and search for Irene boot CD. Irene boot CD. Alright, search for that on Google. And here is the official site for Irene boot CD. So you go into it, but all links will be in the description, so don't worry if you are having challenges. Now we are in Irene boot CD block. So this is the software. When we boot into it, this is how it will look like. So to download it, scroll to the top and go to the download section, which is here, then click on download. This is another, just close it. All right, so scroll down and here is the link to download it. So you just click on it. This is the file name, so just click on it to download it. Okay, as you can see below, it's already downloading, but I already have all these files on my computer, so let's just cancel that. But on your side, you can leave it to complete with the download. You have to leave it to complete with your download. Now the next software we need is Rufus, which we are going to be using to create a bootable for the Irene boot CD. So you go to Google and search for Rufus, R-U-F-U-S. Search for that. Alright, this is the official site for that. So you just, all links will be in the description, so don't worry. Right, this is Rufus. Okay, so you just scroll down and download the latest version, which is this. So when you just click on this, close this ad, and below you can see it is downloading here. So just close this down. You have to get a pen drive of at least 4 gig. I have a pen drive here, so you connect the pen drive to your PC. Alright, so my pen drive is connected here. As you can see, it is an 8 gig pen drive. So now what you need to do is go to your downloads folder where you download the Irene boot and Irene boot ISO file and the Rufus software. So this is my Rufus software. Just open that. Yes. All right. This is our Rufus software. It is going to detect our pen drive which we connected on our computer. So this is where it is. That is my pen drive, which is 8 gig there. You just select the pen drive here and then select the ISO image, which is a Irene boot CD. On this side, just click on select. Right, go to your downloads folder and select where the Irene boot CD is. So at my side, I have my Irene ISO file here, so which is this. So you just click on it and select open. Now that we have all this, just click on this and select MBR, or if your machine supports GPT, you can leave it as GPT, which is UEFI. If it is not supported with GPT, you select MBR. So my machine supports MBR. We select MBR, which is here. That is the legacy mode of installation. Now come down and click on Start. Alright, it is going to clear everything on the drive, so you need to back up anything on the drive if you are already having files on that. So just click on OK, and our bootable creation has started. So let's wait on it to complete with the creation. As our bootable is creating, so we just need to wait patiently for it to finish creating the bootable pen drive. Then we will use it on our machine which we have the password on it. I'll skip this video to the ending part. Now that our drive is finished, and as you can see on the screen, it's saying that it is ready. Let's close this and go back to our PC where we'll be removing the password. Let's get back to the PC which will be removing the password. Okay, now that we are done creating the bootable pen drive for the ISO image we downloaded, which is a Hyrene boot CD, connect the pen drive onto the passworded PC and restart it. So this is our pen drive here. Connect it onto the machine. Okay, and then restart the PC. So go to the down here and then restart the PC. Yes, restart it. Okay, as it's restarting, we have to boot from the pen drive. And onto my machine, my bootable shortcut key is F12, which I'm using Toshiba because I'm using a Toshiba PC, and my bootable shortcut key is F12. So it could differ from your machine. If your machine is HP or Acer, you can do a research from the internet to see your bootable shortcut key for your PC. As I earlier on said, my machine is Toshiba and my shortcut key to the boot order is F12 here. So as I press the F12, these are the available boot up devices. As we have connected our pen drive, which is here, that is the USB here, then we select our pen drive, then enter. So you just wait on it to load. So you wait patiently for it to load because we have downloaded, we have created the Hyrene boot CD onto the pen drive. So you just wait patiently for it to load. So you just wait for it to load. Okay, as it is loading, so as it has booted now, so you just wait for the Hyrene to load. Alright, as our Hyrene boot has loaded finish, so just go to your start bar here, start button here, click on that and search for NT. Alright, so as you can see here, we have an NT password edit. So select that, and on top of here you can see that is our drive C, which is our Windows loaded. So you just open to show all the accounts available. So it will automatically select it. You just click on open to show your account. Now these are our accounts. So my account, which the password is in, is user. So you select the user and then change password. Right, now you type in your new password. Okay, I'm going to be using maybe the short 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, sorry,
Just clean this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So, and then verify with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Now you click on OK and save changes. Now after that you exit. Right, our password has been changed successfully like that. So when we restart, now you have to restart back to your Windows. So just click on the start and restart it. Just click on restart. Okay, after that just unplug your pen drive and wait for the machine to boot into Windows. Okay, so you type in the password, which we used. Our password we used was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you enter, and voila, our password has been changed successfully, and now we are booted inside our Windows. So guys, now that you are booted inside, you can remove the password or change it to the best of what you want it to be again. So that is how to change your password or even remove it at all. So if this was helpful, guys, please do follow our channel and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you in our next video. Peace out.